Hey team, in this video we will be analyzing the fundamentals moving the market for gold in bullish and bearish perspective, according to which we can plan our trading strategies for the gold. Now coming on the bearish strategies, the first bearish point is that we have seen that the dollar was on a surge, and we have seen that the dollar rose on Friday and remains set to end the week in a green, following stronger than expected economic data. But some experts have warned that the reprieve from the greenback will likely to be shorter lived. Moreover, we have but the damage of moreover we can analyze the damage of second covid-19 second wave of the virus has had on the economy will continue to weigh and force the Federal Reserve to continue with stimulus measures threatening to stop the dollar on a wild swing lower again. Thus, this can lead to the depreciation in the prices for the dollar, as the COVID-19 second wave has been now highlighted, and we can see that the numbers are being on in surge, due to which we can consider more stimulus packages coming out by the Fed Reserve in order to preserve the buying or the purchasing power of the consumer. Moreover, the non-commercial future contract of gold traded by a large speculators and the hedge funds totaled a net position of some around $23,518 in the data through the Tuesday, August 18. Thus, in a week or so, we have seen a dip of some around minus 535 net positions, or the net long positions for the gold, which we can analyze that the hedge funds managers and the speculators are decreasing their net long position for the gold, which is a very significant bearish signal. Moreover, gold speculators reduced their bullish bets this week for the second straight week and for the third time in the past 5 years. The bullish position of the speculators has been trending lower, and this week's standing marks the lowest bullish level of the past 10 weeks. Thus, we can see that the hedge funds managers and the speculators are reducing their net long position on the gold, and we have seen a decrease of some around 535 net long position in the gold, which is a very significant bearish signal. Moreover, we can see that the dollar was on a surge last week, and we can see that many experts are saying that we can expect a decrease in the prices of the dollar. However, currently we are seeing a surge in the price of the dollar. Yes, we can see increase in the prices of the dollar, decrease in the net long position by the hedge funds, which means that the uncertainty in the market has been decreasing from since previous weeks. Now coming on the bullish fundamentals moving the market, the first bullish or a very significant bullish pattern for bullish news is that Buffett, or the Warren Buffett, buys the BRICS shares for gold ready more than some around $70 for the last week close to Tuesday's high. Thus, the Warren Buffett had invested in the stocks of gold, which means as being a senior as being a senior most in the stock market, he have seen some significant move which could take place in the future, due to which he has invested in the market. Thus, this is a very important point to be analyzed, as these kind of traders very usually work on the fundamentals, and their predictions are quite correct in the longer terms. As being Buffett being a long term trader, thus this gives us a signal for an quite a small time we can see healthy corrections. However, in the long term, the market for the gold would only and only surge, which is also suggested by the investment done by the Buffett. Moreover, the unemployment unemployment rate is above the peak of the great financial crisis, and the almost 30% of the US industrial capacity is idle, which means that 30% of the production being done by the US before the COVID-19 are sitting idle, and they do not have any contracts for the future, which means that the unemployment in the coming months can increase. Thus, this is a very uncertain news. Moreover, we could see that the Fed is not achieving 2% inflation 2% inflation as it meant to be, and really meaningful to say that it would likely even more inflation, which means Fed isn't able to achieve this 2% inflation which they have aimed to. However, we can see an increase in the inflation. Moreover, investors are more confident that the Fed will not be rising interest rate the for the coming up years, which means that the interest rate would remain near to zero, as told in the statement released by the Federal Reserve on the Wednesday or on the Thursday of previous week, which is also a very bullish news. And we have seen some inflationary concern too, evident in the appreciation of the golden metal. Moreover, the 5-year yield node fell to the record low below 19 BP in nearly August, and in every event has passed very little time over the past 2 months above 30 BP. The implied yield of the Fed funds future strips, which is the cleanest read of policy expectation, is clear on this point, and without being impacted by the Fed's purchase or other decision. The Fed funds further strips after March 2022 continue to employ a slight chance of negative effect average rates. Moving on, economic and financial and geographical uncertainty offered economical, financial, and geopolitical uncertainty offered a favorable backdrop for gold, and the prospect of the end of the third significant dollar rally since the end of Bretton Woods also make for an arguable compelling narrative. Thus, the economic, the financial, and geopolitical have led to a decrease in the prices for the dollar, as we have seen that recently the dollar tested the 2 years low, And we have seen this kind of move in the dollar after the Bretton Woods. For those who do not know what was Bretton Woods, it was an agreement in which all the countries agreed that their currency value would be determined by the value of gold they owned. Moving on, in a painfully obvious, but of course the economy will be driven by the virus and ability to limit the contagion with local shutdown until a vaccine is available. Fiscal and monetary policies can offer a bridge until then, but the open endedness of the necessary commitment can erode the political will. Of course, the exact balance is difficult, if not possible, to achieve. And moreover, the volatility should begin to increase, and we can expect more difficult recovery taking place over the next 12 months. We can see it's becoming a very difficult to see a V-shaped recovery as highlighted by the economists who were expecting a V-shaped recovery in the economy due to the COVID-19. However, now economists are expecting a W-shaped recovery, which means here we can see a higher high move in the stock market, which we can currently are seeing. Then again we can see that the stock market has been dumping, and then some around here double we can see the market making either double top or a lower low, and then we can see a V-shaped recovery. Thus, the total pattern would look of W-shaped recovery. Thus, the economists are falling back from their claim that they could see a V-shaped recovery. However, they are now supporting the idea of W-shaped recovery. Now, moreover, we can see to the response of COVID-19, the Fed has already cut interest rate to zero. Now, the US central banks are now talking about controlling the yield curve. Now, controlling the yield curve. Now, explaining how they can control the yield curve. In the short term, the Fed control the economic stability and maintain the economic stability by rising or lowering the interest rate. However, the COVID-19 isn't being going just in an blink of an eye, and it is lasting for years. Thus, now they are planning to control the yield curve, as by controlling the yield curve, they can control the interest rate on a longer term perspective. Thus, we can see that the Fed would target some longer term interest rate, as the central bank would set the short term rates at zero, and it would target also the long term rates. It would particularly change the yield curve, which explains the name. However, the Fed would also promise to buy enough bonds to keep the rates from moving above the target. It might be useful to compare the yield control with the quantitative easing. Thus, it should be clear that the yield curve control should be positive for the gold price, even if it would reduce the pace of the Fed balance sheet expansion. The Fed should cap the treasury yield while pushing the gold upwards. Thus, we have analyzed all the bullish news, which we can see it is generated within a time tenure of 1 week. Now, summarizing it, Warren Buffett investing in gold, we can expect a rise in the prices for the gold. Unemployment rate increasing, we can see 30% of the production capacity in for the US industries are sitting still. We can see that the Fed isn't able to achieve its idle inflation of 2.2%. We can see that the Fed has lowered its interest rate to zero, and we aren't seeing any change of this decision of Fed in coming years. Moreover, we can see that the Fed is planning to control the longer term yield by controlling the by longer term rates by controlling the yield curve. Moreover, we can see the economists were claiming for an V-shaped recovery. However, this wasn't possible, and now we can see the economists are now claiming for an W-shaped recovery. We can see the Bretton Woods agreement has. Moreover, we can see that the economic, financial, and geopolitical political fundamentals can move the prices for the dollar down, which means the increase in the prices for the gold. In this part of the video, we will be discussing about the economic events or the economic calendars moving the prices for the gold from 28 till 24 till 28 August. So let's begin. We do not have any economic event on Monday. We have an economic event on Tuesday, 25th August, which is CB Consumer Confidence. So the forecasted value for the confidence is 93.0. Now, why traders care about it? As it measures the level of consumer confidence in the economic activity. The economic activity, it is a leading indicator as it can predict the consumer spending, which plays a major role in the overall economic activity. Higher reading point to the higher consumer optimism. So the forecast value is 93.0. If we get numbers greater than 93.0, such as 94.0 or 95.0, which will trigger a sale position for the gold. However, if we get numbers lower than 93.0, such as 91.0 or 90.0, this will trigger a long position for the gold. Now coming on the Wednesday, August 26th, we have core durable goods order. So why traders care about it? As the core durable goods order measures the change in the total value of new orders for the long lasting manufacturing goods, excluding the transportation items. Because the aircrafts are very volatile, the core numbers give a better gauge of the ordering trend. A higher reading indicates an increase in the manufacturing activity. So the forecast value is 2.1%. If we get greater than 2.1%, such as 2.2 or 3.1 or more greater, this will trigger a sale position for the gold. If we get numbers less than 2.1, such as 2 or more lower, such as 1.9, this will trigger a long position for the gold. On Tuesday, August 27, we have two economic events. The first is GDP. And the second is initial jobless claims. So the why traders care about GDP is due to the fact that it measures the annualized change in the inflation adjusted value of all goods and services produced by the economy. Forecasted value for the GDP is minus 32.6 if we get greater numbers such as 31 point minus 31.7 or minus 30.7 or more greater, we will opt for an sale position. However, if we get numbers greater than less than minus 32.07 such as minus 33.0.6 or such as minus 30.34.6, this will indicate a long position for the gold. Coming on the initial job loss claim, why traders care about it as it measures the number of individuals who have filed for the unemployment insurance for the first time during the past week. This is the earliest US economic data, but the market impact varies from week to week. The forecast value is 925k. If we get greatest numbers such as 925 and 9235k, this will indicate a long position. If we get less numbers than 925k such as 920k or more less such as 915k, this will indicate a sale position for the gold. If you are new to the channel, so do consider subscribing, and if you like the video, do like, share and comment below. Thanks for watching.